I love going places, I love exploring, I love the freedom of riding on two wheels.
Motorcycling is a great escape for me.
I love getting out in the fresh air, riding in the sunshine, enjoying the ocean breezes along the California coast.
You feel the temperature changes, you get the smell of the roadway changes, you get the feel of the environment around you versus being inside of a vehicle.
It's really fun to go out for a ride and see where the road might lead you to.
You know, we've had people that you can see are really nervous about their day at the beginning of the day, and by the end of the day, they come up and tell you things like, this is the best I've ever ridden.
You know, I'm a little bit tense. It's always weird. You have to kind of loosen up.
I'm learning a lot, and having the instructors out there pointing to things and stuff like that has helped cementing it into my mind.
Master the ride means to me that you feel comfortable when you're on those two wheels, that you're not stressed out about the sign that has a twisty sign coming up in front of you. You see that twisty sign, you actually get excited. You have the skills and the ability to go into that situation and know, I'm going to have some fun today. It's being a smooth rider and being a confident rider.
It's been a good time, and it's just going to help me make a better passenger.
Yeah, the technique they're showing us is definitely better than the way I've been doing it.
Okay.
It's not about going fast. It's not about dragging your knee on the ground. It's about precision, it's about confidence, and it's about options. And these are all the things that we work with out here at Streetmasters.
Do you feel confident and very comfortable riding through the corners? If you don't, Streetmasters is the answer. You'll enjoy your motorcycle riding much more with a confidence and ability to ride smoothly through the curves with a true understanding of what the best line through the curves is. And you will never again be concerned about running off the road.
What I find most important is they genuinely seem to be caring about what you're learning and being focused on helping you.
Streetmasters' philosophy is make the street rider a better rider.
We have people here that can identify weaknesses in riding technique. And we have the curriculum that will allow them to improve and get back on the right track to where they become more confident and comfortable in riding their motorcycle.
It is a progression, and that's the one thing that particularly now at Streetmasters, we work on doing things in a very organized way so that each step builds towards the next. And to see somebody that's tight, that's tense, and not so sure of themselves as they go through the day, becoming more sure, and after the lunch break, the smiles really, even though they got full face helmets on, you can see the smiles there, and it's fun.
Fantastic. Superb. You couldn't ask for anything more.
Loved it!
Life-saving.
It was great, thanks.
The whole day was the best part. It was great.
Enough about us. Mastering the ride is all about you.